Okay, so what I have is this nail, and these nails are very stubborn. If I show you one, they have this spiral kind of texture or shape, and once they go in, they're pretty tough to take out. Now the challenge that I have here is I have drywall, so I can't actually take my a hammer and then just like take it out like that, because, well, first of all, it won't come out that way. The second is, if I go against the drywall, this might damage the drywall. So I have to prevent the drywall from damage and take out the nail. So what you can do is you can take this tool that's used to remove the nails from shingles, and what I do is I kind of put it right here, and then you want to move it up, and then you slowly hit the nail. I mean the and that's how you take out these kind of nails.